In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with tips and tricks. Let's start with access. You can open Gmail from the mobile app or any modern web browser. Sign in, and you'll see your inbox, the sidebar with labels, and the big Compose button. To send an email, click Compose. In the To field, add one or more recipient addresses. Use CC to loop people in for visibility, and BCC to hide recipients from each other when appropriate. Write a clear, concise message in the body, and use formatting like bold, lists, or links to make key points stand out. If you need to include files, click the attachment icon and add them. Before sending, take a moment to proofread, confirm recipients, and either click send or schedule delivery for a future date and time if that suits your workflow better. Keeping your inbox organized makes everything smoother. Use labels to categorize messages, like important, work, or personal, and apply them as you go. Set up filters so new messages automatically get labeled, archived, or starred based on criteria such as sender, keywords, or whether they include attachments. Archive anything you don't need in your inbox and delete what's truly unnecessary to keep things clean. For efficiency, enable undo send so you can recall a message within a short window if you spot a mistake. Create templates, sometimes called canned responses, for replies you send often, then insert and customize them in seconds. Learn a few keyboard shortcuts like composing, archiving, or searching to fly through routine tasks. Gmail has powerful features worth exploring. Connect add-ons and external services to turn Gmail into a productivity dashboard. Use snooze to temporarily hide a message and bring it back when you're ready. Confidential mode lets you add expiration dates or require verification for sensitive content. If someone helps manage your inbox, you can delegate access securely in settings. And don't forget the search bar. Use advanced options and operators like from, subject, and has attachment to find messages fast. To boost productivity, integrate Gmail with tools like team chats or project boards so conversations connect to tasks. Automate repetitive work with robust filters and rules. Consider using AI assistants to help draft emails, then personalize the result before sending. When collaborating, share conversation context through integrated tools instead of forwarding long chains. Finally, customize Gmail's look and layout. Choose a theme, adjust the density, and pick your conversation view to match your style. Keep security top of mind. Use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly review account activity and third-party permissions. Be cautious with unfamiliar links and attachments to avoid phishing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.